So Apple just released that new iPad Pro and that Magic Keyboard. I know a lot of people are thinking about upgrading, but should you? Let's talk about it. What's up guys, it's Jason with Red Bee Labs, and I mean honestly, should you upgrade to the new iPad? I have plenty of reasons of why I want to, which is why I will go over in a little bit, but I think that if you're happy with your device, then there's no need to upgrade. If you have a iPad Pro 2018, you should be perfectly fine. I mean, the new iPad for you would only have minor upgrades. I mean, so for the entry price, you'd get a little bit more storage, but other than that, they're just minor changes in performance and stuff like that. I feel as if you enjoy your device, then keep it. I mean, there's no real justification to go out and buy the new one unless you just want to be trendy and have the newest thing. Now, I have a completely different opinion if you have a 2017 iPad Pro or earlier. I just think that the performance and the updates, the look, the keyboard, the whole shebang, everything they were talking about, the trackpad support, which I know we'll get, what the other iPads will get, but it'll be smoother with the new chip they released. There'll just be a whole lot of performance upgrades that you're really going to enjoy. Now, if you do have an older iPad or iPad Pro, I'm not saying to, you have to get the new one because yours is old and out of date and everything. I'm just saying that if you were thinking about upgrading, that would be a more plausible upgrade than to have the 2018 and say, oh, well, I need to upgrade to the new one. Okay, like I told you guys in the beginning and in my other videos, I'm definitely upgrading. But, I'm on YouTube. I want to review the new tech that comes out. And, like I said, on my 2018 iPad Pro, I use it for everything. It is actually my laptop. I edit my video on there, edit the photos on there, I write my scripts on there, take all my notes. I mean, anything you can think, I surf the web, watch videos, watch YouTube, anything you can possibly think, I'm always on my iPad doing it. And if there's anything I can't even think off the top of my head that I need to run, or that I need to do this down on the iPad, I'll jump on my iMac. But that one I barely get on. That's more so used by my wife. I am iPad Pro all the time and carry it with me all the time. Another thing that I love about the iPad is that LTE. See, my laptop doesn't have that, and I can be anywhere and get internet anywhere. And that's again why it was easier for me just to move over to that being my full-time laptop. And now with the 2020 iPad Pro and the Magic Keyboard, with the trackpad, and the mouse support, nah, hey, those are the things I was waiting for. They took care of the storage thing and they took care of the files thing for me. And I needed the trackpad support for, just editing more, just more or less just fine-tuning editing and things like that. A lot of people aren't going to need that, and they're just going to stick with the touchscreen, as you should. That's what the iPads are for, and that's what we're moving forward to. But, sometimes you need some precision, and the trackpad really helps. And that keyboard being backlit, I can work in dim areas, and it's just becoming closer and closer to becoming a MacBook Pro, which is most people's daily drivers as a laptop anyway. And then maybe I won't get so many side eyes when I tell people that I use my iPad as my daily driver. Okay guys, if you're actually thinking about upgrading and you have an older device, just drop me a comment below and let me know why. Let me know why exactly you want to upgrade to the 2020 iPad Pro. Before you go, if you found value in this video, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, share this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.